my head it all makes sense. Every word just lands, soft and clear and confident. Exactly how I planned, but it trips on my tongue. Loses what I meant, turns into a different shape. Before it's even said, I hear it one way, then it slips away. I swear I'm eloquent inside my head, but when I speak I second guess, and all the beauty turns to less. I'm fluent in the feeling, yes, just not as eloquent. I swear I'm eloquent inside my head, just not as eloquent. Then I hear someone like you, words just falling free, like you don't have to think at all. It's just what you believe, and I could listen all night long. The way it flows so true, it's not envy in my chest, it's something close to love.